The year is 2025, and an asteroid the size of Manhattan is hurtling towards Earth. Mankind's last hope for survival lies in a desperate gamble, a massive laser in space that could vaporize the colossal rock before it crushes our planet. But will it work, or will this be the end of the human race? Let's find out. 3I Atlas isn't just some Hollywood plot device. It's a serious proposal put forward by a team of engineers and scientists, led by physicist Philip Lubin from the University of California, Santa Barbara. Their idea consists of placing several powerful lasers in orbit around Earth to form an artificial sun that can blast apart dangerous asteroids heading for our planet. And while science fiction movies have taught us to be wary of doomsday devices with a death ray that's used as a last resort, 3I Atlas could be humanity's best chance at surviving an impact event like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. According to NASA, there are roughly 25,000 near-Earth asteroids, ranging from a few miles to a few feet across, that could pose a threat to our planet. And the odds of Earth being hit by a large asteroid are about 1 in 1 million. But scientists aren't sure how often smaller asteroids strike our planet. It could be happening several times per year. The chances of being hit by lightning are about 1 in 700,000, so it's not exactly likely that we'll need a plan to stop an asteroid. But considering the damage a smaller asteroid could do, we should probably be prepared. Take the Chelyabinsk meteor that exploded over Russia in 2013. Its airburst released an estimated 300 kilotons of energy, about 30 times the explosive yield of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. While no one was killed, more than 1,500 people were injured, and more than 7,200 buildings were damaged. Now imagine if that meteor had struck Earth's surface with its full force instead of exploding in midair. But what if we could destroy an asteroid before it reaches Earth? The idea behind 3I Atlas is to use a fleet of lightweight, low-cost spacecraft equipped with high-energy lasers that could be deployed quickly to intercept an incoming asteroid. Each laser would be about 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers in length, and produce up to 100 kilowatts of power. To give you an idea of the truly astronomical power required to blast apart an asteroid, NASA's planetary defense experts say it would take 240 of the world's most powerful lasers to obliterate a 140-foot, 40-meter asteroid. And even then, the lasers would only have a 50% chance of working, while the total power generated by all the lasers in 3I Atlas would exceed that number. They wouldn't all be focused on the asteroid at once. Instead, the energy beams would converge to a central point on the rock's surface to create a gigantic burning inferno. The heat generated by the lasers would vaporize the asteroid's rocky mantle, and the resulting explosion would blast apart the remaining fragments into even tinier pieces. What's left over would be small enough to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere before they reach the ground. If it sounds like the Death Star from Star Wars, that's because it kind of is. But unlike the fictional space station that required a perfectly aimed proton torpedo to destroy an enemy ship, 3I Atlas doesn't need a bullseye shot. As long as the lasers converge on a small enough area of the asteroid, it should break apart regardless of where exactly it hits. And while the concept is still in the research phase, the scientists behind 3I Atlas say that it could become a reality within 10 years. But until then, we'll just have to wait and see if we're vaporized by an asteroid or live to see another Tuesday. Please be so kind and give our channel a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now.